Are you unknowingly hurting your partner in bed? Some positions that feel exciting could secretly cause discomfort or even long-term harm to her body. Today, we'll uncover 3 critical signs that a sex position might be doing more damage than pleasure. Stick around, because understanding these could save the often violating and her health. Sex positions are a fun way to keep intimacy alive, but not all of them are safe. Research shows that certain angles or pressure points can lead to physical injuries or discomfort for women. According to a study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine, injuries like pelvic bruising or vaginal tears can often result from extreme positions or overextension. Before we dive in, ask yourself this: has she ever hesitated or winced during intimacy but didn't speak up? Pay attention, because these signs might be easier to spot than you think. Sign 1. Visible discomfort or pain. The first and most obvious sign is physical pain. Positions that apply too much pressure on her back, hips, or pelvic area can lead to severe discomfort. A report by physiotherapists highlights that overflexion of the spine during certain positions can cause nerve compression, leading to lasting back pain. Remember, if she's biting her lip, make sure it's from pleasure, not pain. Sign 2. Unusual bruising or sensitivity. If she notices unexplained bruises or tenderness the next day, that's a red flag. This can happen when positions involve sharp angles or excessive thrusting. A clinical review even suggests that vaginal microtears can go unnoticed but become serious over time, leading to infections or scarring. How can you check if your favorite position is causing harm without killing the mood? We'll reveal that shortly. Sign 3. Limited range of motion. Certain positions may force the body beyond its natural range of motion. Overstretching ligaments or muscles can lead to strains or injuries. Orthopedic specialists warn that joint injuries from awkward positioning might take weeks to heal, and nobody wants that kind of interruption in their love life. Because let's be honest, intimacy isn't supposed to feel like a yoga injury. Remember, intimacy isn't just about excitement, it's about mutual trust and care. Understanding her body and boundaries strengthens your connection, both in and out of the bedroom.